Everybody wants to innovate like Amazon. We at LIDR brings you a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to do it. We have partnered with AWS to invite you to a workshop that is reserved only for the best corporate partners, such as Lamborghini. It will be a 3-hour online workshop where certified AWS trainers will explain the 4 pillars that sustains Amazon's culture of innovation and the methodology to apply to your own products, what they call working from the customer backwards. Not only you will learn the way of thinking and the methodology behind Amazon's innovation, you will live with a real artifact to successfully launch your next product or feature, and we will reward the most innovative products with more than 800 euros in rewards. This is an event for multidisciplinary teams, so bring your teammates from tech, marketing, sales, and product, and join the team from Nannyfy, Jeff, or Wallbox that already signed up for this unique innovation challenge. See you inside!